the ultimate shapeshifter, the dream-like dance floor of the superb bird of paradise. In the dense, competitive rainforests, survival isn't just about finding food. It's about being the most unforgettable optical illusion, a creature that turns courtship into a high-stakes artistic performance. Setting the stage, the show begins with a bit of housekeeping. Before a male can dance, he must prepare his dancefloor. He selects a horizontal branch or fallen log, meticulously clears away every stray leaf, twig, and speck of dirt. Once the stage is flawless, he lets out a series of harsh, piercing calls. A loud call echoes through the canopy to attract distant mate. The smiley face transformation. When a female, typically a modest, brownish bird, arrives to investigate, the male starts slow. He flicks his mask and glances side to side, seeing if she's interested before starting the big show. But the moment she moves in for a closer look, he undergoes a transformation so miraculous it barely looks biological. He flicks his jet black neck feathers forward and expands his lustrous shield, instantly turning from a bird into a two-dimensional black disc. His crown feathers and chest shield align to create a glowing, neon smiley face. The dance-off. Not all superb birds of paradise are the same, and their dance moves are the key to telling them apart. In some species of superb, the dance is high energy. He performs a bouncy, frantic hop, shuffling in semicircles, making snap-snap sounds with his wings. For other species of superb, the dance is a smooth operator instead of a smiley face. His cape forms a downward tilted, frowning arc or frown, and he moves with a liquid, sliding motion that makes him look like he's gliding on ice. The toughest critics in nature, despite the neon lights and the shape-shifting. The audience is notoriously hard to please. Female superb birds of paradise are among nature's strictest judges, often auditioning and rejecting up to 20 different suitors before deciding who gets the final rose. If a male finally hits all the right notes, he maintains his bizarre, flattened form even as he successfully seals the deal by winning her heart. A reminder that in the deep jungle, sometimes you have to become a literal work of art just to get a date. As the female eventually flies off, either after disapproving the dance or to begin a nest, the male, impossible black void collapses. The neon, smiley face vanishes, and the work of art simply becomes a small bird again, blending back into the shadows of the emerald canopy. He takes a moment to preen his ruffled feathers, lets out one last piercing call, begins to clear a patch. In the rainforest, the show never truly ends. It just waits for the next critic to arrive.